keto potato salad without potatoes is the ultimate low-carb twist on everyone's fave summer side dish, the classic potato salad. This salad twist is creamy, smoky, and satisfying. Start with a pound or two of cauliflower florets. Chop small to mimic that classic potato texture. Toss the florets into a microwave-safe bowl. Add 1/4 cup water, and then microwave about 5 to 10 minutes, just until tender. Grab 6 to 8 strips of bacon and air fry until crisp. That salty crunch in this keto cauliflower potato salad is what makes it so addictive. Drain your cauliflower well and let it cool. Spread it out on paper towels and pat it dry completely. A dry base means the dressing will stick beautifully and won't get soggy later. Hard-boil some eggs in the air fryer. Chop the hard-boiled eggs. And then slice up some fresh celery, some green onions, just the green parts for a fresh flavor pop. Half a cup to a full cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. That cheddar adds bold flavor and richness, making it feel so indulgent without breaking your carb goals. Whip up that classic potato salad flavor. Keto-style salad dressing. Just a cup of mayonnaise. Or you can swap mayonnaise with thick, creamy Greek yogurt. Add 2 teaspoons of the Jeyn or yellow mustard. A teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder, some paprika, a teaspoon or tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and optional sweet pickle relish if you want a bit of sweet. And then season with a dash of salt and pepper to taste. This low-carb gluten-free dressing is creamy, tangy, and ties everything wonderfully together. Add a cool cauliflower and chopped eggs to a large bowl. Then pour over that luscious keto dressing. Fold it together gently. You want to keep the cauliflower chunky. Then stir in the celery, the crispy bacon, and probably half of the green onion and half of the shredded cheddar cheese. This mix is pure summer comfort. A healthy side dish that satisfies every craving. If you're loving this keto potato salad recipe, go ahead and like this video and subscribe. This salad is amazing fresh. But you know what? Chilling it for a few hours or even overnight really deepens the flavor. It's a dream for meal prep or to make ahead for a big summer cookout. Literally said, this is better than regular potato salad. No joke. So, if you're looking for a healthy side dish that's keto, low carb, gluten-free, diabetic-friendly, paleo-friendly, this keto potato salad without potatoes is the one. With cauliflower, eggs, cheddar, bacon, and a creamy dressing, it's got all the fixins, all the classic, just none of the starch. Thanks for watching. Up next is my indoor grilled barbecue kebabs recipe, which pairs perfectly with this salad. I'll see you in the next recipe.